Hi, my name is Ray Bernard, and I am the OpenAI tutor. Today's edition is going to be all about how to create a front end using simple HTML in less than 100 lines of code. I'll show you how to connect to the OpenAI's API and actually start integrating that technology. This program is actually originally developed by Logan Kilpatrick, community advocate at OpenAI. So to get started, what we'll do is simply download the repository. I'm going to actually open up an instance of Visual Code and show you how to clone that repository. First thing I want to do is clone my repository into a local instance of your Visual Studio Code. And the way to do that is just go to the repository, click on code, and then copy, type git clone, paste the repo, and begin the cloning process. Now that I've cloned the repo, I want to get into the directory, so I'm just going to cd into it. Once I'm in the directory, what I like to do is create a virtual environment. And the way to do that is just simply execute this command line. Now that I've created my virtual environment, what I like to do is activate it and simply go into my environment and click activate. Now you can tell it's activated. The next thing I'm going to like to do is a pip install. So I'm just going to install the requirements for my application and click enter. This is the proper command, install our requirements. Click enter. There we go. Okay, it's all installed. The next thing I want to do is create a file where I'm going to store my OpenAI key. And we'll call it .venv. So what I'm going to do now is put in my OpenAI key, and obviously this is not a real key here, but you'll replace the X's with your key, real key, and save file. In this case, have it auto-saving. Very important, make sure that you create that file within the ChatGPT structure. To execute and run the server, all you have to do is just type Python server.py, enter. Now go to this address here, which is your local address, and there it is. So chat with Chan. So basically, let's just say hi. Tell me more about OpenAI, and let's click send. And there we go. That's the response. OpenAI is an unofficial research laboratory consistent for profit corporation, OpenAI LLP, and its parent company, etc. So forth, so on. We got a really nice, robust response, and we can customize this. In the next section, what I'm going to show you is how to quickly customize all of this, colors, and just making it look a little nicer.